Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video you can insert the SIM card at the Xiaomi Redmi 9. So there are many versions of it like the 9A, the 9C, the 9i, the 980, and yeah, let's get into it. First of all, we need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. Below this manual box here, we will have here the pin, so just remove it like this. And yeah, otherwise you could use also, of course, the good old paper clip. And if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray, and below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. So what's pretty cool on this SIM tray is that you are able to insert two SIM cards if you want next to a microSD card. So let's start with the first SIM card. You will need a nano SIM card, by the way. You have to put the first SIM card here in the middle. And like this, missing corner here. And the contacts are below. Okay, and in case if you want to add a second SIM card, it is possible. You will put it here on the first position. This is the slot for a second SIM card. So also missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below as well. Okay, and if you want also, it's optional. You can add a microSD card to extend the internal storage. It has to look like this then at the end. Of course, you can use also the microSD card with just one SIM card if you want. And yeah, if you're ready with, just put your construction back into the phone. Like this. Shake it a bit. And it's inserted. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That will be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos. If you're interested in me, just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.